Says you with the loudest sneeze of all time. Clay is so obnoxious. You guys want to know? You guys want to know why? I have always complained. Like if I sneeze, Clay doesn't say bless you. He never says. He never tells me bless you if I sneeze. But if he sneezes, I always say bless you. I thought that was common. So now instead, if I sneeze, I like say bless me, and he says bless me as well.
First of all, I think it's rude to interrupt silence with a sneeze.